Hi, I'm Eliza and I am doing vocal lessons at the SoundLab. I've been with the SoundLab for 8 months now. I started in mid-January. It's really different from the training that I had, which was classical based. There's a lot less emphasis on scales and you get given a lot more freedom on what you want to do with the music and with the song. Still focuses a lot on technique. It's obviously really important being a singer, but it's not so rigid in the way that we do things. During the lessons, I get to do what I want to do. I sing the songs that I want to sing. I can sing whatever genre I want, so I've gone from musical theatre to contemporary. I've done a bit of soul. I've done all sorts of things, which is really awesome. I think you need good teachers, but not just good teachers. I think you need teachers that you can relate to on a personal level. I feel like I've got like a whole nother little family now. If you have a passion, you should go for it. And whether you're a beginner or whether you've had years of lessons, I don't think it's ever too late to get a fresh perspective and a fresh teacher and new ideas, and also I guess a new way to use your voice. Your voice is ever changing, and yeah, I reckon just go for it. You've got nothing to lose. I want to keep singing here, and yeah, it's been a great experience.